Hey guys, it's your girl Lola, AE29 Fashion, and today we're going to be making a men's two-piece. So guys, this video is not a full tutorial, it's just like a day in my life where I'm putting the pieces together of a men's two-piece that I'm making for a client. So this is me, I'm just doing the lining now for the trousers. This is the shorts part that would go under the fashion fabric. And I've just cut this out and I'm about to iron it down and then snip the center to lay down flat. So we're just moving on to the back part of the top now. So I'm just sewing the back panels together. So my client wants a design on the top. So I've now cut out these squares using the fabric and some brown fabric too, and I put some pleats into the squares as you can see, and I'm going to be placing that onto the front to give the top a bit of a design. So here it is. What do you think? How does it look? So moving back to the trousers, as you can see, I've put the lining in the inside. I've also added the pockets. The only thing I need to do now is to put the elastic into the waistline of the trousers, and I need to also put a rope. I will now need to add the sleeves to the top. I've put the top together now. I've put my invisible zip in the shoulder, so when you want to put the top on, you take the zip down from the neck. And now I just want to do the vent on the side of the top, so I'm just going to iron this in. So guys, thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed watching me do my thing, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. If there's anything specific that you guys would like to see on my channel, whether it be patterns, sewing tutorials, anything like that, again, just let me know. It encourages me to do more, and I will see you next time. Bye.